don't travel much on highways. I find them a bit boring. I prefer the small roads and the mountains. That being said, sometimes we have to use them. Ride a Kawasaki 650 and I really like this bike. It's nippy and light and fast enough for me. However, if I have to ride on the main roads of the highways, I have this problem. At highway speeds, I get this vibration from the engine and it becomes a problem. Not a big problem, but enough to mention. The vibration, albeit small, comes directly up to the seat. I have the standard seat and I'm wondering if any of you have had this problem. If you have and you fixed it, what did you do? If you found a way, perhaps you could let me know in the comments below. I'm not keen on the seat covers that look like huge black bubble wrap. I would think they move around a bit, so I'm not sure about them. I've seen these replacement seats, they're very expensive. I wonder what they are like. So if you can help, let me know. One strange thing is when I'm in the mountains on these twisty roads, it don't seem to bother me because I think I'm moving in the seat backwards and forwards. It's only on these long, straight, boring highways that I get this. This replacement seat is $262. Holy moly. Beautiful day to have a ride out in the Costa Blanca. I'm enjoying every minute. My turning coming up. If you watch this video up to now, good on you, and I'll catch you on the next one.